Hey, welcome back, and today we're going to do a walkthrough video of our 4-station shower restroom combo +1 laundry. So the 4-station combo has a lot of great applications. It can be used just about anywhere. Campgrounds, marinas, disaster relief, mines, any heavy industrial workplaces that require showers at the end of a shift. Some of the features that are inside of the 4-station combo is it does have a 10-gallon per minute hot water heater. It does come equipped with a jet pump that you have the ability to draw water from an exterior water source with a 1-inch hose bit, as well as 2 city water ports and access for 1 to 2 50-amp outlets. If you don't want to use the showers and just use this as a restroom trailer, you can. You have the ability inside of 2 additional mechanical rooms or access rooms to shut the water off to the showers, as well as some additional storage. So if you like this video on our 4-station shower restroom combo +1 laundry, be sure to check us out at langrestroomtrailers.com.